down to the Georgetown murder trial of Noah Clifton. His grandma and his cousin, who he allegedly shot while they were watching TV, testified in court today. WCPO 9 News reporter Andrew Rowan live for us again in Georgetown tonight. Andrew, the man charged with murder had an outburst in court today.
Several of them, Tanya. Defense lawyers for Noah Clifton told the judge he told them he wanted to fire them and represent himself. The judge denied that request, and when that happened, Clifton told the judge he wanted to replace him.
You should not be my judge for this trial, for this case. You have a rule. I take it up with the legislative branch.
Noah Clifton starting the second day of his murder trial with a fight.
I do not want lawyers.
Clifton pled not guilty to shooting and killing his grandfather, Ralph Neff Sr., and injuring his grandmother, Margaret, and cousin Zach.
Do you know how many times were you shot?
He shot at me twice.
On the witness stand, Margaret telling the jury Clifton was diagnosed with schizophrenia and said a close relationship went south.
Thought my husband was a demon and he was stealing souls. And he never liked him after that.
Describing an ambush in the living room.
Hands like this. And I said, Noah, what? And that's all I got out. And he shot my husband in the head.
Margaret spent 3.5 months in and out of the hospital, missing the funeral of her husband of 58 years.
Still seemed to dream most of the time and not being able to wake up.
His cousin Zach underwent facial reconstruction surgeries.
What did he shoot you with?
A handgun.
And shared what he remembers about the moments after the shooting.
He said something to the effect of, if you come outside, I'll finish the job.
The aggravated murder defendant has disdain for his lawyers. And when the jury was dismissed, a request to the judge.
Judge, I'm bond today.
As a family mourns the prosecution and the defense.
You'll be bonded out today.
The jury also heard from an evidence technician. Craig and Tanya, the testimony from that evidence technician said there is no reason to believe anyone else was in the house except for Noah Clifton and the victims. Live tonight in Georgetown, Andrew Rowan, WCPO 9 News.